Welcome back to the channel.
Today is Cinco De Mayo.
Yeah, so if you like this kind of content, be sure to subscribe.
Come get lost with us.
So today's Cinco de Mayo, we're heading to town. We got a couple of tasks we got to get done. Huh, interesting how it's like pivoting. Pivot.
We're still learning the new camera.
Yeah, we're still working on the new camera. Kind of checking it out. I haven't actually edited my first video. I've got footage I have to get to tonight, but I have not actually edited it. So hopefully it's looking okay.
We got errands that we're doing.
Yeah.
This morning. Gary has a doctor's appointment. We gotta go to our accountant's office. Maybe go by the storage unit. That's not 100%.
We gotta wash this car.
We gotta wash the car. That is happening today.
And then there's one Mexican restaurant that makes good food in the entire area. That's probably where we'll be heading for Cinco de Mayo dinner.
Yeah, I already told him that I'm gonna have a margarita. And their margaritas are good. I haven't had one in a minute, but they're good. And he can drive me home.
But we've made it to town, so we're gonna go to our doctor's appointment. Gas is $3.75, in case you're wondering.
It was like $6, California.
It was.
Well, $3 cheaper here.
It's very interesting what the camera decides to focus on.
Also, it's 57 degrees outside.
It is, yeah.
So it's cold. Well, chilly.
It's the mountains, baby. It's the mountains. Yeah, this is our small little town.
I think it's got like 1, 2, 3, 4. I think we have about like 6 or 7 stoplights in this entire town.
Yeah. I think more people follow us on YouTube than live in this town. Crazy to think about. Crazy to think about.
Perhaps. Definitely young hairs for sure. I don't have my extensions in, so this is my real hair, y'all. This is my real hair. She's thin. But we both got a chicken biscuit, and I did the math like a real diabetic. And it was 71 carbs to eat the chicken biscuit and the hash browns with it. I always get a diet lemonade, so that doesn't really count. And I dosed for it, and it said 4.85 with my current glucose number at like 130. So I ate half of the biscuit. I ate all the chicken. I only ate half the biscuit, and then I ate most of the hash browns. So we'll see where I'm at in like 2 hours.
2 hours to go, guys. Finished our doctor's appointment. Now, next is the accounting place.
Woohoo! And that is in another state, 2 towns over.
Yeah. We're definitely going to talk about that on our awkward chats. Check down in the show notes to see how to watch our podcast. But that's been an experience.
Owning your own business is a whole experience.
Yep. So we got to go over there. I'll catch up with you in a sec. We picked up the stuff from the accountant. That's a whole thing, honestly. We're trying to figure that out. We're trying to figure out kind of what our next steps are and what we're going to be doing next year, but that's been a mess this entire time. Now we're heading back home. We're going to wash the car, and then we're going to head out to dinner. So let's get there.
All right, so before I got too involved, I wanted to show a little bit of the dirty. You guys have seen the dirty, but we's about to clean the dirty. I did kind of spray off that side already, but let's see. As you can see, it's nasty. This is the other side. Have not sprayed off this side yet. And there's Coda. Coda's just happy he's not getting a bath. Ain't that right, Coda? Oh! I got a little wet. Alright. Now to clean the car. Remember how we said we would check in as to where I'm at? I'm low. Also, my sensor expires in 24 hours, but that's neither here nor there. But I'm 64, and that means I have to go do something about it. So, probably gonna go eat some Skittles.
We got the car washed. It went pretty smoothly. As you can see, it was really, really polleny from our trip. We were over on the West Coast for about 6 weeks, and during that time, it got pretty dirty. Sometimes we actually park at a parking lot at the airport that they'll clean your car before you pick it up. We haven't been doing that because they lost our keys. If you've been watching our channel for a while, they lost our keys both times we tried to do it. We really liked how they cleaned the car, but it was really weird that the car would just be very difficult to get back to afterwards. And it would typically take like an extra hour or two just because they would be trying to find our keys the whole time. So we've stopped doing that. But then you get back and now your car's really dirty, and then we have to spend an entire day sort of like catching up with all of those things. And sometimes paying a little bit of money up front helps us so that we don't have to spend all of this time, or what little time we have, free kind of doing this stuff. But we got the car cleaned. We're gonna get changed, and then we're gonna head to our favorite Mexican restaurant. We considered eating there, but my dad's already ate, so it's just us two. We're just gonna get takeout. We're gonna bring it back, but we'll show you what we got. And again, it is probably one of the best Mexican foods up here. Here's our Cinco de Mayo food halls.
We got the queso cheese, and we've got tacos from the grill. Yours has chorizo on it. Mine's just steak.
Okay, so both tacos from the grill.
Yep.
Okay. And then chips. They have, well, if I can get it to look down. There we go. They got multicolored chips for Cinco de Mayo. It's normally just regular chips. Mm-hmm.
And then we've got beveraginos coming.
Oh, yummy.
Since we're not going to have margaritas.
I mean, you could have tried to get one.
It's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay.
And then our little Yo Quiero Taco Bell.
You're not getting any. It's not even your dinner time.
Well, that concludes our Cinco de Mayo extravaganza. Sorry we didn't do too much. We just got back from a 6-week stint in the West Coast, and we're just kind of catching up on stuff. So this was one of our first days back.
Yeah, and actually having time to do anything and having any energy is always a factor. I will always say, though, 10 out of 10 at our local Mexican spot. They always bring it. And it was really funny that they had different colored flavored chips.
Yeah, they've actually gone back to the white, so it was just for Cinco de Mayo, too. Mm-hmm. It was really cool that we were able to get it to go. It's one of the few places actually up here that actually has online ordering, too, weirdly enough. But it's a short video. We're still testing out our DJI camera, just kind of seeing what it does around town. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you liked the footage, let us know in those comments, because we're really interested to see what your thoughts are on it and how it's kind of transitioning to videos.
So if you guys like this kind of content, make sure you give it a thumbs up.
Make sure to hit that subscribe button.
And ring that notification bell so you get notified when we do at least 3 videos a week.
And we will come and get you for the next one.
Ain't that the truth, baby Ruth?
Bye, everybody.
Bye.
We just want to take a moment to thank you all for watching the video. To those 90% of you guys out there watching who haven't subscribed yet, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel. It really helps our channel grow and reach a wider audience. And for all those other YouTube personalities that you're watching out there, I'm sure they would appreciate it as well. To those that have subscribed, thank you for tagging along with us on our journeys. We appreciate your love, support, your likes, and all those wonderful comments that we're getting too on our videos. So we look forward to taking you on our next adventure. We'll see you on the next one.